I'll take Farland.
All right, hey, I got 20 on this. I got 20 on the bet.
20 on the bet?
Yeah.
I'll make that bet.
All right, bet. I lost that one.
All right, we're here at the Wisconsin Stick Shift Challenge. We are about to go into round one, but the question is, why didn't we go?
Because I chickened out, okay, guys? I just knew I was going to win, so I decided to give everybody a shot. You know?
Put it on display for everybody.
How's she doing?
She's doing okay. She's a little chicken footing. Yeah, it still goes fast. I love it. Do good.
Well, we're trying to do round one, but sprinkling a little bit. So you're saying you're not scared?
No, she might be, but I'm not. But I love her, so she's gonna figure it out, and she won't be scared anymore. And then all of a sudden, she's gonna be like, wham, 7:30.
So you driving the rain?
This I wouldn't be bothered by, no. We're like a couple little drippies. They could have made 5 cars down and the track would drive itself. That's always the goal.
Hey, you know rape's illegal, right?
Come on, man. They want it. They're here, aren't they?
I'm the guy that you're raping.
Say that again, dude.
No, I didn't say that.
Come on.
So what
Stop crying.
Hey, what do you think of the rain?
It's bad for me because it's going to cool the track off. Radial tires will be a little nicer.
Yeah.
So he gets another advantage, you know. No big deal.
I'll tell him not to prep that side.
I'm still going to tree your ass, so whatever.
I love that.
No, probably
Damn,
not.
he said he was going to tree, bro.
I'll let it happen.
He's going to tree.
I'll let it slide
bro.
right now.
Probably not.
I told him I'd put him out to the back tire if he
All right,
felt
let's do
better.
it. We'll do it.
Do you think everyone would be cool with it?
Yeah. That's fine.
That's
Dude,
a race.
anything, right? What?
Are you going to give him the back tire?
Yeah, I feel you.
Yeah, that's my boy.
Let's go. That's going to be a race.
What?
Yep, everybody on the side of the wall. Guys, cheer for time.
How you feeling?
Chilling. Not trying to think about it.
You got this.
I'm gonna try.
You know you're the coolest girl here, right?
I'm the only one.
Oh, man. So we got a little bit of a crossover.
I can't hear you, man. You're the coolest girl here.
Yeah, okay.
All right.
I'll take it.
Thank you.
Tell me it's good.
Yeah, he is too. He's with me.
Good.
What do you guys say?
He is
Huh?
too.
What do I have to say?
Yeah, what do you guys say?
Not a damn thing.
All right.
Hey, you can come back.
No, we can't have everybody up here.
These two guys are with me. I'm
Gotcha.
a race sponsor. I sponsored this class of this race so we can be up here.
That's fine. No problem.
He's
Everybody
filming.
else, yeah, we got to
Yeah,
get everybody
absolutely.
out of here because we can't have a whole shitload of people.
Absolutely.
Just try to keep it clear up here, otherwise the owner gets on my ass.
I totally understand.
How about Sarah?
Yeah. Yeah. Move. That little retarded shit with dude on the line over there. I'm like, what is he doing? What is he doing? And she just sat still. That's the way you react on the line. Remember that. Tree game, baby.
Hey,
Hey, George.
hey,
Hey, George.
what lane you guys got?
What lane you got?
I'll take Farland.
All right, hey, I got 20
I'll take
on this.
underdog.
I got 20 on the bet.
20 on the bet?
Yeah.
I'll make that bet.
All right, bet. 20 on the bet. Let's go.
I'll take the underdog. I'll take the underdog.
Yeah, let's go. I lost that one.
That was kind of lame, though.
That was lame. I want a real race next
How
time.
about none?
Hey, I'm not going to tell you all again. I want everybody behind that line. Do
He
not
broke the
come
diff.
on this side again.
That's it.
Hey,
at least it ain't on the track.
That thing long.
At least it ain't on the track.
Yeah, you're good. You're good.
Hey, we doing
Hey.
double or nothing?
Double or nothing?
Double or nothing?
Yeah,
Is he
double or
going,
nothing.
is he
Double or
going
nothing.
back to back?
We'll make it,
Back to back?
We'll make a bet on the next one.
Hell yeah.
Is he going to go back to back?
Right here.
right.
Sorry. Not gonna ask again.
He broke the diff.
Oh, yeah.
Damn.
That was expensive.
And that's what they're bad about. You know how many times I broke the diff in the Civic?
What's worse, the jorts or his hat?
Jorts all day. I can deal with the hat.
I know this Cadillac. I ain't doing it. That's a badass fucking car. That's a badass.
You can't talk from that far away. You should give a fuck.
I don't give a fuck about your money or yours. I care about what's here for your fucking safety. You ain't got a fucking...
Told you that didn't sound right. Called that shit.
He left slow. Brandon needs to get on the move. He slept on that tree. When I get back down there, I'm gonna have this talk with him about taking a nap.
What did the security guard say?
He says,
He
no
said put a
betting
shirt
allowed,
on. He
no
said put
fun
a shirt
allowed.
on. And then you can get back out there.
No fun allowed, fucking...
Fuck your money.
I'm gonna take your money and get the fuck out of here, is what he said.
You think he's jealous of the shorts?
I think he's jealous. 100% jealous of the shorts. 100%. Lean back, Chirac.
Lean back in Chirac 2025, baby. What do you know about it? We're out here. Great Lakes Dragaway.
Come on, Cal. You can do it next time, brother. I'm gonna let you win one.
Cal? Oh, no. Not Cal.
So, at an attempt of not being noticed, they changed out.
Great Lakes
He
Drag.
bought that shirt
Team.
and he took those pants and swapped it out for him. So now he's wearing the jorts.
Wait, you missed it.
To a completely different guy. I wouldn't even notice him.
What?
You just taking a break from like hunting dinosaurs?
A Jurassic World featuring me.
You like a golf cart salesman?
Straight up. I'm gonna rock his hat forever now. This is my hat.
You ever polish your New Balances?
Absolutely, all the time. Right before I put my Corvette shorts on.
Any thoughts on round one?
Big scooter guy here. So we have the 9-bot set. No, I'm just kidding. Round one was pretty solid. I'm a huge fan of stick shift because you never know who's gonna win, right? Like some racing, after we've seen so much, you kind of know who's gonna win. It's, you know, you're kind of just filming it, you're photographing it. But out here at the stick shift shootout, no freaking clue. Someone could miss a gear that you're like, oh, he's gonna smoke them. But every single race keeps me entertained.
Tried to run him down. He went at 860 and 199. They popped the tire. They blew the tire on the line. That really, really sucks. Very bad.
Just like I said, anything can happen. I think 8 just took 1 out, so you never know. Stick shift, most entertaining racing you're gonna see.
We want Peterson to win it all tonight, 100%. Know that Coleman's out.
Coleman, yeah.
We want Brian to win it. Brian's gonna take it, 100%.
Johnson, $5. Me and you.
I got this lane, $5. $5.
That's my Happy Meal money. I better get that back.
Hey,
I don't want to take your money on red light.
That means I'm gonna get my Happy Meal tonight.
You can get whatever you want.
Okay, good. I got something you can eat. Oh, some cheese curds, hopefully.
I'm doing straight
it's probably
racing,
curry down there.
brother.
Oh, nice.
I don't want to take your money on red light. I want a straight heads up.
My bad.
Comes out, Adam gives him this, dude, I'll give you 5 for
Huh?
that one.
what happened?
It just kicked the tire. I didn't touch it on the lead. Dude, the track's really good. That's why I'm really surprised.
I remember the first time I kicked my tire.
That's life, bro. That's life. You can be the best in the world, and on one bad fucking pass, it's over. And that's all right. Because you know what? We'll come back next year and we'll do it all over again, and it'll be fun.
Do you even drive a car, Panama Jack?
I didn't hear you though. What'd you say?
You're pretty.
But literally, that's what I said. Like when everybody's like, "Holy fuck!" I'm like, "Welcome to drag racing."
Welcome to drag racing.
I mean, literally, that is.
You can be the literal best in the world and still have a bad day.
That's why bad days exist.
Yeah, exactly. I had a great weekend. Dude, I had so much fun.
You get to put it in the trailer in one piece.
And now I get to watch Sarah and Brandon go down the track, and I'm fucking excited about all that.
And you get to put it in the trailer in one piece.
Oh, yeah.
I was gonna say, get Sarah in the winner's circle.
That's what I'm going to try to do. That's why I ripped back here, because I was like, I got to watch my woman race.
And then you can do my torque boxes soon. Thanks.
Oh, shit.
Give me a message to Sarah.
Huh?
Give me a message to Sarah.
I love you, baby.
He grabbed the scramble, and I was like, oh yeah. I just saw the truck just bear down and start shaking.
Hey, what do you think you guys would have done?
Well, we probably would have not even made it to this far because we'd have done broke our shit beyond repair.
No.
Put that juju on me.
That's our typical.
No. I would have made it this far, and then in the next round, I'd have made it to the semifinals and picked up a rivet in my tire and blew it.
We found a fucking rivet in the burnout box on this side.
Again.
Yeah. Me and Garrett did. Like, Mustang was getting ready to do a burnout, and I pointed down, and Garrett was like, whoa.
Yeah.
All right, who we got up next?
All right, we got Troy Klutz and Devin Schultz up next. I'm friends with both of them, but I want Troy to win. Let's go. Well, it's raining pretty hard, and it's 9:30 at night. This race is done. Womp, womp, womp.
Who splits the money? Everybody or
Whoever's left.
the radar did some fibbing? It looked like it was gonna go right past us, Tom.
Did it?
Right past us, but maybe we should be weathermen. You don't even have to get on your job.
Straight up. I mean, you don't even. I mean, all you gotta do is guess. Look at a computer and make an educated guess whether it's gonna rain or not. That's about it.
So it was kind of late and I missed it, but what happened?
Well, after 37 years, Nick Coleman finally broke down and gave a woman a ring. It turned out something like this.
You know how good you did this weekend? You earned a prize. Yeah.
What's the price? It's about time, Nick.
Well, on that note,
I'm gonna go breaking. So long, gay boys!